And it goes something like this. Oh yeah. What's up, my people? Smitty at the shop. Got the Pandemic Nova. I took a little bit of a Jeep break this weekend and just put some epoxy primer on the Pandemic Nova, which has been in bare metal literally since last June or July. I think I stripped it. It definitely took a back burner to other projects. Anyway, speaking of other projects, back to the Wrangler. I'm down to brass tacks on this one. This is the final push. Got a real short list of things that need to get done. Been dragging my feet on that back door. I just have to do some body work to the bottom of it and then, base coat clear it. I got to wrap up the interior, replace the clock spring, which is the electrical part behind the airbag that broke from the steering box getting broken. The steering wheel, overspun itself and snapped the clock spring. And then wheels and tires. I keep saying wheels and tires because no matter how much work I do to that Jeep, it's not going to really look right until they put wheels and tires on it. Let me see. Let's go over to the list here. Yeah, that's our list. Back door, bodywork and paint, the interior, the clock spring, the front bumper, the LED headlights and marker lights, and then wheels and tires. And this is it. Let's see if we can wrap this thing up. Let's make this the last episode, shall we? Let's wrap everything up and give you guys a reveal, and let's see if we met the goal of turning this into a sexy Jeep. And then I'll crunch the numbers too and let you know exactly how much this project cost as far as the investment over what I paid for the Jeep. All right, here we go. right, so just quickly threw in those front LED lights. Those suckers are super bright, similar to what I have on the motorcycle. They look good, going with the whole black theme. Well, I just cleaned up my desk because I have to file taxes. And I thought, I can always do that tomorrow. I'm gonna pull this door off and see if we can get this thing in some kind of shape. At least get the bodywork roughed in, dolly some of this out. Let me pull that off of there and see what we get.
To that 11 state game. So, and all I can say, with over the 60,000 votes, you guys did a phenomenal job. I am Keith Roth, and I salute
you. And there you have it. And that should just about do it. That primer is just flashing off right now. I'm gonna let that dry overnight, come in the morning, final sand it, give it a once over, base clear it, and hang it back on the Jeep. And then we're down to wheels and tires. And then this project is done. Well, I'm calling this third time's a charm. And I hope I'm right. We're gonna seal it, we're gonna base it, we're gonna clear it. Well, it's the next morning, and it's done. I'm not going to say I'm thrilled with it, but it's done. Probably do a little wet sanding and buffing on it just to flatten it out to get it to match the rest of the panels, and hang it on the Jeep and wrap this project up.